Good morning, children. I'm going to give a quick recap of the previous class. Afterwards, we will continue the remaining thing. Okay? Yes, good morning. Good morning. Our second lesson is data storage in computers. See, memory is a storage space where the computer stores all its data and instructions that are entered in the input devices. So the computer memory consists of many storage locations that have unique addresses. So each address holds an alphanumeric character. Each character is represented in the storage location by a string of binary numbers. So that are treated as units. Okay. So a computer memory is a temporary storage area that can store data and instruction before processing them. So this computer memory is made up of many ICs, that is integrated chips, and it is measured in bytes. Okay. See, for example, the computer is similar to the human because see, few data we can remember throughout the life, but few data we cannot remember like that, right? See, our mother's name and all we can remember throughout the life, but few data we cannot remember like that, no? So the same way, computer is always having two types of memories: long-term memory and short-term memory. See, short-term memory in the sense it saves data for a short period of time. Long-term memory in the sense it saves data for a long period of time. So we can say best example of a short-term memory is RAM, and for the long-term memory we can say hard disk is the best example. Okay. So now we are going to understand the concept of bit and byte. Darshini, after completing this lesson, I will tell you, okay, how to download. Please wait, Darshini, okay? Yes. See, we the human can understand many languages, right? Hindi, Telugu, Malayalam, English, Tamil, like that we can understand so many languages. But the computer does not understand that languages, right? The computer can understand only machine language, that is binary language. So this binary language consists of zeros and ones. It consists of only two digits, 0 and 1. See, in the computer memory, so many ICs are there, right? So each IC is capable of storing small electrical signals. The presence of charge is represented by 1, while the absence of charge is represented by 0. Okay, so these ones and zeros are all bits, or we can say smallest unit of memory as bit. Okay, the smallest unit of memory is bit, that is it contains zeros and ones. Okay, and about byte, 8-bit can store 1 byte. So 1 byte is equal to 8-bit. Okay, so 1 byte can store only 1 character. So it represents a single character only. So these are the units of computer memory that I taught in the previous class. You all remember, I think. So 1 bit is equal to a binary digit, maybe 0 or 1. Okay, and 8 bits contain 1 byte. So 1 byte is equal to 8 bits, and 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. Okay. And MB in the sense megabyte, GB gigabyte, TB terabyte, PB petabyte, XB exabyte, ZB zettabyte, YB yottabyte. Okay. See, you can remember the first 3 things alone. That is enough for your stage. Okay. You are in the 7th standard only, no? So please remember the first 3 alone. And we are going to see about the types of memory. See, the computer has 2 types of memory. internal memory and external memory. That is internal in the sense primary memory, external in the sense secondary memory. Okay. From the name itself, you can understand primary first. Okay. Secondary in the sense second. Okay. The order of priority. Primary in the sense first. Secondary in the sense second. So the computer has totally two types of memories: internal memory and external memory. That is primary memory and secondary memory. See, so every computer comes with a certain amount of internal memory that is used to store data and to start up and to run different types of programs. So it is also known as a primary memory or primary memory or main memory. Okay. See, you can see a motherboard here. Okay. So we are using these primary memory in the motherboard only. So this is RAM. So you have to insert this RAM in the RAM slot. It is located in this motherboard. Okay. So if you open the CPU panel, you can able to see this motherboard. Okay. So it is a memory that is in the form of silicon chip and it is fixed on the electronic circuit board, which is called as a motherboard. So primary memory, again it is divided into two types, RAM and ROM. Okay, primary memory is again divided into two types, RAM and ROM. So RAM stands for random access memory. Random access memory. Okay. It is a temporary memory or volatile memory because the information stored in this memory is lost when you turn off the computer or the power goes off. Okay. For example, calculator. See, the calculator can store the information exists till the calculator is only on. So the moment you turn off the calculator, all the data will disappear. So we can say calculator is the best example. Okay. And ROM in the sense read-only memory. ROM stands for read-only memory. See, it is a chip. You can find here now it is a chip. It contains only instructions that tells the computer what to do when it starts. So in this, the data is stored permanently during the manufacturing process. Okay, it is a non-volatile memory because even after you turn off your computer or the power goes off, the content of the ROM will not be lost. Okay, so this is the main difference between RAM and ROM. RAM is a volatile memory while ROM is a non-volatile memory. When you turn off, the data will be lost. That is RAM. Even if you turn off the computer, the data cannot be lost. So that is ROM. Read-only memory. It is the chip one. Yes. So it can store some important data required by the system. And next is external memory. Okay. So external memory in the sense secondary memory. See, the computer needs some additional memory, right? So that additional memory is called secondary memory. It is attached to the computer or it may be inserted into the computer. Okay. We can say this as data storage devices. Okay. We can say this external memories as data storage devices. See, if the CPU needs to access the data in the secondary memory, it first transfers the data to the primary memory, that is RAM, and then it is accessed by the CPU. Okay. Example, we can say floppy disk, magnetic tapes, hard disk drives, CD, DVD, and pen drives as storage devices. This and all comes under the secondary memory. So these are the examples of secondary memory. So the secondary memory devices are also called as data storage devices. Okay. See, external memory is needed because the internal storage of computer is insufficient to store large amount of data. In the primary memory, you will be having a certain amount of memory only. That is an inbuilt memory. Okay. That is used to store a small amount of data only. Okay. So to store more amount of data, we have to use a secondary storage devices. Okay. So now we are going to see about these secondary storage devices, that is data storage devices. Okay. Hard disk. So you all seen this hard disk, I think. So it is a main storage device. This hard disk is a main storage device. It will contain all the softwares and data. Even the operating system is also stored in this hard disk only. Okay. See, this hard disk consists of multiple disks. It is enclosed within an aluminium casing. It is coated with a magnetic material and a stack one above the other. So that is called platers. That is called platers. So it has the maximum storage capacity of 16 TB. So it is available in various sizes, 160 GB, 320 GB, 500 GB, 1 TB, like that. It is available in many sizes, but the maximum storage capacity is 16 TB. TB in the sense terabyte. Okay. See, the image you are seeing is an internal hard disk. That is, this hard disk can be used only inside the CPU. Okay. But nowadays, external hard disks are available. From the name itself, you can understand external in the sense we can keep this out of the CPU. Okay. So by using a single wire, you can able to connect with the CPU and you can keep the hard disk outside of your CPU only. Okay. That is called external hard disk. And floppy disk. See, these floppy disks are flexible plastic disks. It is coated with a magnetic material. Okay, cost-wise, it is cheaper. So it has two sides. This consists of two sides. So both the sides we can able to store the data. So to use a floppy disk, we need a floppy disk drive. It is a required one. If you need to use the floppy disk, you must have a floppy disk drive. Okay. So it comes in two sizes, 5.25 inches and 3.5 inches. It is not longerly used because of the invention of some other storage devices. Okay. This is a CD. The full form of CD is compact disc. It is also known as optical storage device. Okay, it is also known as optical storage device. See, this CD is a flat round disc. It is made up of a polycarbonate. Polycarbonate in the sense it is a kind of plastic. Okay, it can hold text, graphics, sound, images, and videos. See, its diameter is 4.7 inches in mm. It is 120 in 120 mm. Okay. So it has a maximum storage capacity of 700 MB. So we can able to store up to 700 MB of data one day. If the CD has some scratches, it won't work. It will cause damage to that data. The computer won't read this CD. Okay. See, this CD comes in two forms, CDR and CDRW. CDR in the sense CD recordable, RW in the sense rewritable. See, recordable in the sense whose data cannot be erased. It is read only, so we can write only once. Okay, it is a read only. We can able to write only once. That is called CDR. That is CD recordable. Okay. CDRW in the sense that is rewritable. So which can be written many times we need. We can erase it and we can again write on it. Okay, that is called rewritable. This is DVD. DVD stands for Digital Versatile Disc. Digital Versatile Disc. It looks exactly same as CD-ROM. Okay, but it can store more amount of data than a CD. It can store up to 4.7 to 17 GB. Okay, it has the maximum storage capacity of 17 GB. See, it is also has the same dimension, 4.7 in inches and then 120 mm. Okay, in inches it is 4.7, in mm it is 120. And about pen drives. See the pen drive, we can say this as flash drive also, or we can say this as USB. Flash drive, pen drive, USB, so all the same one only. Okay, it is a plug and play device. We can easily connect it with the computer and we can easily remove it from the computer. See, it is very small when compared to the CDs and DVDs. It has a maximum storage capacity of 512 MB. It is used for copying and moving data from one computer to another computer. It is very small and lightweight. It is removable and it is rewritable also. Okay, it is very fast. It can hold more data and it is very convenient to carry anywhere. Okay. So usually these data storage devices are used to transfer the data from one computer to another computer. So we can easily carry from one place to another. We can easily connect it to the computer and we can easily remove from the computer also. So we can say these are advantages of these storage devices. Okay. So with this, yeah, second lesson is over. Okay. I can find some chats here. I'm having floppy disk. Okay. Okay, I'm going to show one small video. Expand also, yes. Children, if you have any doubt, you can ask me, children, because it's, your chat is not clear for me. Can you show the example of external memory? See, external memory, we can say CD and pen drive, but I'm not having right now. I will show it in the next class, okay? Okay, Sairaga? Okay, ma'am, how to download with pen drive, ma'am? Please tell me, ma'am. Darshni, actually, what is your doubt, Darshni? What do you want to do with that pen drive? You need to store some data. Download videos to the pen drive. You need to download in through the internet, Nasia. See, children, if you need to download something from the YouTube, you have to separately use a downloader because it won't get download. Okay, you have to separately use a downloader for that video. So after downloading from that downloader, it will be stored in your system downloads. So after that, you can connect your pen drive to your system. Just copy it or else just transfer it. Okay, from your computer to pen drive. You need to copy in a pen drive side. Okay. Where we get the down? Just you can get the downloader in the internet, Dashni. See, if you're going to download something in the YouTube means you just open another one tab. First, you have to choose your video. After that, you have to put YouTube downloader. Just a minute, I'm going to share my screen. Okay. Children, whether my screen is visible for you, children? Yes. See, I'm going to search one video right now. Okay. For that, I'm going to use just a minute. Okay. I'm going to use a separate tab. YouTube. See, just find your videos first. Select that video. Go into that video. Just copy this link along. Open another one tab. Just type YouTube downloader here. So you will be having so many downloaders. You can choose any one downloader. Okay. Paste your link here. Just click convert. See, here you can have a drop down arrow. No? So click this drop down arrow if you want to convert to any other extensions. Okay. MP3 or MP4 like that. See, you will be having a download option here. So if you download, it will be downloaded in your system. So you can find it here. I think you can able to see this. See, it will be downloaded. It will be automatically stored in your system download. So after that, you can insert your pen drive and then transfer this to your pen drive. That's all. Hope you all can understand. Just try it, children. Still, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the next class. Okay? Same way you can do it, no? Okay, Dashni, welcome. Okay, Alan. Any other doubts, children? Okay, thank you. Thank you, children. If you have any other doubts, please ask me. Can you understand the lesson, children? If you have any doubts related to the lesson about the storage devices, no doubts. Okay. Thank you, children. We will meet